Ball? Ball?
What is that?
Ball. Wait. She likes to play catch.
Oh, it's too far away now.
Yeah.
You messed up.
What is it? Oh, that's what it is?
Mom, did you mean to put her bow on sideways? Okay.
Yes.
That's ghetto.
The only way I could put all the hair in.
And then she gonna open a lot of presents? That's the
Excuse me.
Madison. Madison.
Sit down, bud.
Madison.
Sit down.
What's your presents? Madison.
Help her open it. Madison!
Madison.
She likes that ball.
Madison.
That's
Whip
the
it up.
best present. It's a ball. Didn't like it out.
Go whip. Go whip it. Whip. Whip.
Mess. Ball's gone.
Help her open it.
She just doesn't know what to do.
Whip. Like, do that.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Not yet. Yeah. Nope. Whip it.
Ah!
Whip it up.
Right.
Bounce and giggle pig.
Ah! No,
I wonder if she'll remember that from the store.
Oh, maybe.
Ask her.
Oh.
Oh, what is that thing? What is that thing?
Now open it all the way and
What, me?
Yeah, open it all the way, Trey.
Take it out of the box.
What is it?
What is that, Mama?
Okay. Open the
Hang
car.
on, hang on. Just gotta look at this one first.
probably have to open the bottom.
Move, Chris. Sippy cider over there.
Oh,
Yeah, sit right there.
plus
Sit down.
balances and instructions.
There we go.
Yeah, she has to read the instructions.
Yay!
Of course. Instructions first.
Here you go, Madison.
It's a pig.
Move the box, Matt.
Is it chocolate?
Does she like it? Turn around.
Matt!
Look at the
Mama.
cameras.
Turn around. Let's open the car.
What?
She was looking at the ball. Mommy.
What's that girl got my ball?
Push the nose. Back up a little bit, Chris.
It vibrates the whole floor.
Mommy, let's open the car.
Push
it.
Push.
Push it.
Push.
Push it.
Yay!
She's
Touched
scared.
her hand. He pushed on her hand.
Excuse me, Chris.
Did you want me to ask Chris just to leave? Would that make it
No, he
easier
just
for you?
keep getting in the way of the camera, that's all.
Mama! Mama! Madison!
She's a good
Okay,
friend.
we'll another present. We'll open in the car, guys.
You don't need the card.
Happy birthday. Happy first birthday. To adorable you from adoring me.
Can I get her card tomorrow?
Love you so much. Mommy, Daddy, Grandma, and Chris.
You know you.
Okay, next present.
That one really?
She likes your laying there. Is that gonna work for that, Matt? Will that work for that?
Another
Pig?
It's a different kind of.
Chrissy, what's that, honey?
They're trying to send her a message.
Yeah, it's like a different.
Chris, just put your back up against that couch.
And say like
That
a
works right there.
brown.
What about a pink pig and like a red pig?
Yeah, it's red.
Madison.
Yeah.
Madison, turn around.
Good job, Madison. Put it back. Here. Right? Yeah.
That sugar on her cheeks is making them bright red.
Whip it. Whip it.
Whip it good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is that thing?
Yeah.
Really? Really?
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, just open it
I'm
up.
done with that one.
I don't want any more pigs.
Another pig?
It's a bank, but it's she puts coins in. She likes putting things in things.
Yeah.
Not that way. See what happened was Arapinalia Faye and Ong Bay. She put 2 lighters in it.
Mm-hmm.
Good for her.
So the lighters are done.
It was funny. I was just sitting there watching TV. She's in there, and then I hear like
Like a
sound of
poop.
something in water.
Like poop.
I look over and she's got another one ready to go. And it's just another one right
And
away.
he's all Nick, and he goes, what?
Okay, anyways.
Anyways, we got stories on here. So shh. How did you get that other one out? You just pull on it hard? Or? Did you just eat something? Man, I wish I would have known that before. I would have got her a bunch of garbage.
Bunch of
You
wrapping
don't
paper.
think that a bouncy ball and there's stuff.
All right, big one. Big one.
here's one right here.
Oh yeah. Go for the big one.
Look at that nice wrapping job. Could have done it better myself. Oh wait, I did do it.
You're being tacky.
I'm sorry, but he used 400 pieces of tape and 400 pieces of paper to
Whoa,
wrap
look
that.
at
That's right, for that $400 gift we got her.
70?
And the dogs are upside down.
Madison, look at
Almost.
Chris.
Almost. Almost.
Let her do it.
Yay! Oh, there's more. Hey, baby.
Chris, you're right in the way. Stand up.
Go to the couch, like we said.
Did you take one? Did you take one of these? Do you have one in your hand? Do you think this is real money? Just because it goes in a piggy bank? Ready? Madison, you want to hold this one? Good job!
Let's see if she can figure it out on her own now.
Yay!
She's got it. Go. Figure it out. You got it. Almost. There you go.
She put it in.
Don't need to go all the way in.
Brianna, how'd you like the movie the other night?
Huh?
How'd you like your movie
It was good.
last night?
Yeah.